This presentation is designed to present the findings of an external evaluation that was conducted of an after-school program located in Tyler, Texas. This program began in 2014-15, and the results of 2014-15 academic year and 2015-16 academic years are compared. This presentation includes an introduction of the purpose and program, the evaluation design, the results, and the discussions and recommendations and future implications of the program and training for volunteers. In 2010-2011, an independent needs evaluation suggested that organized activities outside of school could greatly benefit students in the Tyler community. Specifically, student needs included academic achievement, social development, family engagement, and college and workforce readiness. To answer this need, a program recruited students from middle schools in the Tyler area to participate in after-school activities designed to improve these needs. The demographic area encompassing this program is a very diverse population. The program, located in Tyler, served student population that was 100% economically disadvantaged and 100% students at risk. This program's purpose and rationale had 3 goals. Specifically, it sought to improve student academic performance, improve student behavior, and improve student attendance. The problem was the original program in 2014-15 did not see the increases from fall to spring desired. In 2015, a training program was set up in order to improve these outcomes. The 2014-15, 2015-16 program maintained a structure similar to previous years. It had the same number of hours and weeks and served the same students. The first hour, the students received tutoring and academics. The remaining 2 hours were spent conducting enrichment activities. Additionally, the program worked very closely with the school to collect data. The intervention was very in-depth training for 2 hours per day in the summer for 3 weeks, for 10 incoming volunteers and 3 student interns. The training included best practices in the areas of behavior management and curriculum development, in areas of lesson planning for engagement and retention. This was held Monday through Friday and was voluntary. However, the training had to be completed in order to return to work for the program the following year. The stakeholders of the program include the students, future enrolling students, their families, school personnel, program personnel, including the leaders and volunteers, the organizational site in which the intervention was held, and these organizational members, including the CEO, managers, food service preparers, and staff. Also, the community at large was a stakeholder for the results of these interventions. The audience of the program evaluation includes anyone interested in implementing a quality after-school program to improve the success of students in the areas of attendance, grades, behavior, and promotion. This includes school personnel, persons interested in writing grants for after-school programs, and current program leaders. The evaluation design included questions such as, did the training intervention improve student grades? Did the training intervention increase engagements as evidenced through attendance and participation? Did the training intervention improve behavior through implementation of appropriate lessons and behavior strategies? Was the program implemented as intended by the training? Are activities targeted to student needs and well implemented? Were program modifications made to better align the activities offered with training objectives? And was the curriculum and lessons more aligned to the student needs after the training? The data collected in a descriptive manner included attendance, participation, grades, and behavior. Data collection methods included a logic model, a survey. Also, the leader was asked to give input to the effectiveness of the program by answering research-based related questions to implementation and success, and spreadsheets for attendance, participant data, grades, and discipline from the school and program were collected. Overall, attendance data shows that there was an increase in participation for the program from 2014-15 to 2015-16. Overall, the program averaged 62 school days in participant participation, but in 2015-16 this increased to 69. 131 hours were recorded for participants in 2014-15, which increased to 150 hours in 15-16, and in 2014-15, an average of 1.98 hours a day was recorded for the participants, which increased to 2.15 hours per day in 2015-16. School attendance was not significantly impacted. However, it does indicate that attendance days per student decreased from 2014-15 to 2015-16. There were no statistically significant differences in any scores from 14-15 to 15-16. However, in terms of amounts of increases, 27% of students improved their reading, 23% of students improved their math grades, 23% of students improved their science grades, and 20% of students improved their social studies grades. Behavior was very significantly impacted by the program. Not only were criminal referrals reduced from 5 as a baseline per year to 0 for the 2015-16 school year, but also non-criminal referrals decreased significantly per student from 7.59 to 0 per student in 2015-16. The survey indicates that positive program outcomes were noted by all participants in a 360 survey style. Positive program effects, positive activity effects, improved behavior, and improved academics increased from 2014 to 2015-16, as you can see by the chart. The evaluation results indicate that more students attended more hours the second year and more days. Total enrollment in days spent per activity increased, according to the logic model. Even though these values were not significantly different, the total number of students missing one or fewer days did increase in 15-16 at the school. Leader observations indicated student buy-in to the program in both academic and enrichment classes after the training for the volunteers had occurred. Survey results also showed the stakeholders' increased enthusiasm for the program and the activities offered. Grades were significantly impacted, which was shown in the subject increase for each subject. The leader also reported an increase in program implementation in the area of academics, which was directly related to the training of the volunteer instructors in lesson planning and curriculum. Behavior was significantly noted in criminal referrals, non-criminal referrals, and stakeholder reports. The recommendations of this evaluator is that the site continue to work closely with school administration to stress the importance and benefits of this program. Intervene with students in the program that may have high absences by providing additional research training for volunteer instructors in this area. Also, continue to implement the academic training program with volunteers. The implications indicate that more training in these areas and additional training as needed is very highly recommended due to the positive outcomes associated with the training for student success.